Have you ever wondered why some people seem to lose weight quickly with smoothies, while others see almost no results at all? The truth is, it's not just about drinking random smoothies. The ingredients, timing, calorie balance, and overall structure of your diet make a huge difference when it comes to fat loss. Today, I'm going to show you 3 of the best weight loss smoothies that can help support fat burning, reduce cravings, and make healthy eating much easier. Let's start with smoothie number 1. The first smoothie is a pineapple coconut fat burning smoothie. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of frozen pineapple chunks, 3/4 cup of unsweetened coconut milk, 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 5 to 6 fresh mint leaves, and optionally 1 teaspoon of honey for sweetness. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that may help support digestion, while Greek yogurt adds protein to help you stay full longer. This smoothie is refreshing, creamy, and perfect as a healthy breakfast replacement. Now let's move to smoothie number 2. This one is a mango strawberry metabolism smoothie. For this smoothie, combine 1 cup of frozen mango chunks, 1/2 cup of fresh strawberries, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Blend until smooth. Strawberries are naturally low in calories and high in fiber, while chia seeds help slow digestion and keep you satisfied for longer periods of time. This smoothie is great if you struggle with cravings or late-night snacking. And finally, smoothie number 3. The pineapple mango ginger smoothie. For this recipe, blend 1/2 cup of frozen pineapple, 1/2 cup of frozen mango, 3/4 cup of fresh orange juice, 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, 1 handful of spinach, and 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds. Blend until completely smooth. Ginger is commonly used to support digestion and metabolism, while flax seeds provide fiber and healthy fats that can help support weight loss goals. Plus, this smoothie tastes amazing and gives you a natural energy boost without sugary processed drinks. But here's something important most people don't realize. A single smoothie recipe alone usually won't create dramatic or lasting weight loss results. Real transformation happens when smoothies are used as part of a structured system designed for fat burning, balanced nutrition, and consistency. That's exactly why so many people are following the 21-day smoothie diet plan. Instead of guessing what to eat every day, the program gives you a complete step-by-step system with meal plans, smoothie recipes, shopping lists, and a proven structure designed to help maximize weight loss results naturally. Many people use it to reduce cravings, stay consistent, lose stubborn belly fat, and build healthier eating habits without complicated dieting. So if you want more than just random smoothie recipes, and you're ready for a complete body transformation, check out the full 21-day smoothie diet plan. You can find the link to this plan in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to lose weight naturally.